Get rid of unwanted hair naturally. There are many women all over the world who suffer and have to deal with unwanted hair. This is a big aesthetic problem. Most of the women solve this issue with regular wax depilation or shaving. However, over time the pores can become larger and the hair stronger than before. Therefore, we present you several amazing and natural recipes for hair removal. You can prepare these treatments at home, and they will provide surprising results. Treatments for natural hair removal. Turmeric and papaya paste. Turmeric and papaya paste is an effective and gentle way of eliminating unwanted hair. For this purpose, you will need a blender. Start by preparing a paste by adding a small green papaya. For every 4 parts of pureed papaya, add 1 part of turmeric powder. Mix the both ingredients well and let stand for half an hour. Then, apply the paste by massaging it on the area. Rub it directly against the direction in which the hair is growing. Do this for 15 minutes and wash it off. Do this treatment for 2 to 3 times a week. The results will be visible within 3 weeks. Turmeric and milk mask. This is another gentle remedy for the unwanted hair. Take 1 cup of turmeric and add milk gradually. You should get a thick paste. Apply the paste on the area and let it dry. Then, wash it off using warm water. Repeat the treatment twice a week until all the unwanted hair is completely eliminated. Oatmeal rub. Take a bowl and put 1 to 2 cups of oatmeal in it. Then, add water gradually with only 1 teaspoon at a time. You should get a mixture resembling amount of peas. Then, take a handful of this mixture and rub it against the direction the hair is growing. Apply some pressure while doing this. Repeat this treatment at least once a week. Feel free to alternate this treatment with the turmeric and papaya paste. Warm sugar treatment. This sugar treatment is quite similar to waxing. However, it is more gentle and it removes the hairs from the roots. Repeating it often, less and less hair will grow and the pores will be finer. Mix 2 1/2 cups light brown sugar, 1/4 cup lemon juice, and 1/4 cup water in a small saucepan. Boil all the ingredients well. Then, let the mixture cool down until it is tolerable. In order to check this, test it with the fingertips. Next, with a spatula spread the warm sugar mixture over the area where you want to remove the hairs. Limit it to 5 to 6 inch area. Cover the area with a gauze strip and let it stay for a few minutes. When it absorbs the sugar, peel the gauze strip off. Repeat the procedure on the next area. Although it is time-consuming, this treatment is very effective. Bear in mind that you might need to reheat the mixture